Alright, so we are back. I know it's been a couple months since I made a YouTube video, but I just graduated from high school, and that's why I haven't made a video in so long, I guess. After I graduated, I kind of moved into a new apartment for college. You see, this is a new place. Yeah. And of course, the problem here is we are in the southern United States in the middle of the summer, and it gets pretty hot. So that brings us to here. This is a fan. We're gonna unbox it and it'll make the room cooler. I know a fan doesn't actually make the room cooler, but you get the point. There's an air conditioner in the room over there, and there is also one in this room, but you can see right there there's an extension cord, and you're not really supposed to do that. So my plan instead is to have this fan blow air from this room into this room. And that's the basic idea. So this is a Lasko wind machine, 20-inch air circulator. I don't know why they have to say air circulator. It's a fan. They try to make it sound like there's advanced technology in there, but there's not. It's a motor. 100+ years, so I guess it's not very advanced then. Shows the features, 3 speeds, rugged design, it's made out of plastic, pivoting head for directional air power, so you can pivot it, it's a fan that pivots. Energy efficient operation. So we can just open this up. And you see right here, apparently there's not very much packaging, but yeah, there's a handle, so it just comes out. So pretty simple. We have a fan, and here's a cord. Wind machine. Let's see if it actually does this. Yep, it does that. So pretty much that's what it does. I'm not going to actually record the temperature of this, at least now, mainly because I don't have a thermometer, but maybe I'll make another video about this, reviewing it later. But we could quickly go over this right now. So let's just see how long this cable is and plug it in and see what it does. Yeah, so I'm not actually going to edit this video. I actually got a new phone, so making videos should be a little bit more convenient now. The thing I'd like to say is that the wire of this fan is decently long, I guess. What's that, like 6 feet? I would say so. But obviously this apartment, the thing about this apartment is that there are no plugs on this side of the wall. There are plugs on this side of the wall right here. The air conditioner and the refrigerator are plugged behind there. There's more plugs back there. You can see there's another fan plugged back there. But there's nothing here. So that is a problem. If you get a fan, just make sure you know, I guess, where you're gonna put it and where your plugs are. You probably shouldn't have this problem like I do. I have a shortage of plugs, I guess. You could use an extension cord, I guess, but I don't want to have a bunch of those going around. Yeah, so let's find a plug where we could actually plug this in and see how it works. You get the fan, you plug it in. Okay, wind machine. Let's go around the back, and you can see there's like a dial here. Yeah, it's a dial, and standard fan, there's 3 speeds. Right now it's at 0, so it's off. And then this is the highest speed, so I guess it's kind of loud, I guess so. But that's a protractor. Yeah, you can see it blows quite a bit of air. We'll try to go down. So now we are at the second highest speed, and it's much quieter, but there's still a decent amount of air. See it? This won't fall flat, I guess, and it blows it across. So Lowest speed now, it's really quiet. This might be what you'd go to sleep with if you have this by your bed. Doesn't make much noise at all. And yeah, there's not very much air. So this just gives you a breeze. I guess it will circulate the air, but it's not going to give you that much. So choose what speed you want. So there was that fan. It's the Lasko wind machine. And that has been this video. I'll make an update sometime once I've used it.